Hey, hello, Clueless Traveler here. A quick unboxing video for you guys because I got a new GoPro, the GoPro 11. The one that I have right now is the GoPro 4, and this one was really in need of replacement. I tried to use it as long as possible, but the sound was getting very bad, and when I compare it to the new one, it's just a world of difference. You will see the difference later on. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So I'm gonna put you over here. So here we have the main box. It comes like this, and it opens from down. So let's have a look, and it's in a nice casing like this. Pretty nice, pretty cool. And if we open it up, we will be met with a little warning card. Oh, I have to first update it first before I can actually use it. And here are all the details in the camera itself, of course, and all the extras, the accessories. Very nice casing, I must say. I really like that. So yeah, we have the camera over here. We have the selfie stick over here, which is supposed to be click on very easily. It's foam, so that's nice. And we have a head strap over here, so to put on your helmet or your head in general. And this is, I think, a click on for your bag or for your clothes. You can click it in somewhere. Nice, pretty good. And of course we have some smaller attachments and stuff like that. Yeah, this you can stick on something. And also important, 2 batteries. 2 of them, that's nice, so you can switch them up. And underneath we have, of course, some cables and some stuff like that. And of course the main thing is the camera. I don't know if I can take it out with one hand. Let's have a look. So there it is, the new 11. And let's see how this gets off. Well, it's paper. Voila. Like that. Pretty cool. It's much bigger than the 4 I have at the moment. It's a world of difference, I think. Yeah, that's definitely 1/3 of a difference. Well, later I will show you the difference. So it has this neat little things over here. You can just put them out or put them back in, which with the old one was not possible. It was inside the casing actually. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Let's have a see. You have to put the battery over here, the on button. You have the frontal screen, which is very nice because the 4 has a frontal screen, but you can only see the time basically, and that's more or less it. Nothing else. You don't see what you're actually doing. So let's take this off. It's always very satisfying. And that's number 1. And number 2, also very satisfying. And again, I'm warning that I have to update it. Apparently that is very important. So how do we get this one? Let's have a look. Dun, dun, dun. If I can catch it. I cannot. Ah yes, there we go. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm gonna power it up later and then I'm gonna continue with this camera so you can see also and listen probably to the difference. And I will put them next to each other what the difference is. So the Hero 4, which I have now, was I think from 2015-14, and the difference was that with that one I used it last year and it was okay. It was decent, fine enough. It still films in 4K. It still, you know, you have those options basically. But especially the sound was pretty annoying. It was very vulnerable for wind and for if you accidentally touch the microphone and stuff like that. Right now I'm on Java Island, I think it's called, or Sabetsko or something like that. And stabilization was way worse than this. If I looked up the videos of how this one works compared to that one, That one, if I would walk very carefully with 2 hands, it still looks like I'm an elephant basically. That's how shaky it looks. But the deal breaker for me was that recently I started noticing that the audio had a throbbing sound. And I actually bought a microphone for this one because I wanted to use this one for the next travel. And with the microphone I heard it even more, and I was like, this is the microphone? And then I started to hear it also from the camera, but more softer than on the microphone for some reason. And that was for me, okay, this thing is done. You know, I also bought an extra battery because that one was, you know, draining very, very quick. I was constantly walking with an extra battery pack, basically attaching this to load it up and then using it, and it just didn't work. And it's time for something else. I also bought a sleeve thing next to that, so it's nice if you just don't want to use the handle maybe or something. And it also has a nice little protection area layer of it. So let's have a look what that one is. We have, let's see what it is. Oh yeah. So we have the cord. Oh, it's packed like this. Okay, interesting. You can take it like this. Okay. Yeah, so we can put it over it. Oh, I can actually do it now. And let's see if it fits. Don't break it immediately. Okay, well, it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick rubber. Definitely quality product. Well, that's how it looks now. I guess it looks much nicer actually. And it probably doesn't get damaged so quickly. And then you can put this around your wrist, or you can just maybe put it even around your neck. I don't know actually. Let's have a look. Oh, it's pretty long. That's pretty long. This was 15 euros. This little thingy, but it's and you can of course do this. So, or put it around your neck. That's yeah, quick and easy. Nice, nice. I definitely like the casing because I didn't have that one before with the other one. This is gonna be so easy traveling. You know, just put it in there. It's gonna be safe. It's gonna be, you know, maybe even slightly watertight, stuff like that. So yeah, very happy. Well, and then my old GoPro proved my point again, because it got an error for the memory card. So yeah, this is the GoPro 4 that I was using before, and as you can see, it is a little bit old. This front screen is small and it only shows very minor details. The back screen was like this, and yeah, also smaller than the one I have now. And the problem was that this battery was constantly empty. It also gets very warm the whole time. Like already now I'm holding it, it's warm already. It's insane. And yeah, the sound quality, everything was just getting worse and worse. So I don't know if you can hear or see the difference with this GoPro now. It's yeah, different angles that I'm showing you. And yeah, so it's time to switch up from this to that. And I will show you a picture of the difference in size, because definitely the 11 is much bigger. Anyway, I'm gonna use this for my next trip, so stay tuned. And the next time we will see the difference between this one and the other one.